This Shih Tzu mix was found at the corner of M59 and Airport Road in Waterford Township on March 18th. Anyone who knows who the owner is asked to call the Oakland County Animal Shelter. This white terrier was last seen on Inkster Road between 8 Mile Road and 9 Mile Road on March 17th. Anyone who finds this dog is asked to call 248-595-2575. This Pomeranian mixed dog was found at the corner of Hilton and Woodward in Ferndale. Anyone who knows who the owner is asked to call 248-635-5366.